Yo, how are you? Nice to meet you guys again. You know, oh my god, that's really impressive. Okay, stress. So recently I found an application, which is AVU. By the way, it's not indoors, but my description. So yeah, I'm experiencing to make 3D text here. If you're serious about the video, you just watch this tutorial. Let's go. So yeah, first click the new project and then the project, and this project I will um that's good, and customize the what the fuck is this name format, and for background I will use black, and click the create and add text. For the text I will that's good, and modify. Oh yeah, so there is a bug. For fix it, you just click modify and write again and click checklist, and boom, that's fix it. And click the 3D layer and click 3D effects. What the fuck? And click the 3D switch and settings the thickness. My settings, you can follow my settings. And yeah, cut the duration and delete it, and um make the animation. You can follow me. For the rotation, I will use maybe like this, and left right is no. And at the keyframe you can click this and click custom and follow my grabs. How the fuck? And for scale you can follow my settings too. And yeah, I think it's good enough. And I forget. Oh yeah, oh yeah, for the effect you can for the color you can add some footage maybe, and link link in description. Okay, you don't add the front because it will be looks weird. Okay, and you can change the font too. For the font look can follow my phone. Where's my phone?
A few minutes later.
And yeah, if done, um hmm, I will change the color because this looks weird. And yeah, if done you can export it. So yeah, that's the tutorial. Don't forget to breathe. Okay, bye.